Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can match a PO to invoice lines. Click on Navigator or hamburger icon. Go to Procurement. Click on Purchase Orders. Click on Task List or Task Pane. Now click on Create Order. Populate your supplier. ERPZEN supplier. Click on Create. Now click on Lines. Select the type as goods. Select the item. Search for your item. Based on the item, system has automatically defaulted the description, the category name, the unit of measure, etc. And say the price is 333 and the quantity 1. Now select the record, click on view, columns, show all. I'm fine with the details. Now click on schedules. Select the record, click on view, columns, show all. Say requested delivery date is 15. Shipping method, that is fine. Say inventory. And this is direct delivery. Match approval level, two-way. Say invoice match option, order. Since we are trying to create a two-way match invoice, now click on save. Submit the invoice for approval. Sorry, the purchase order for approval. Purchase order number 10 was submitted for approval. Now, click on task pane. Click on manage orders. Click on search. This is the PO which you are trying to create, and the status you can see it is pending approval. Click on search. Open the PO and click on refresh. Click on refresh. Now, since it is approved, it was updated from pending approval to open. Now click on done. Say purchase order number 10 was created. We will create one more purchase order. Select your supplier. Say ERPZEN supplier. Click on OK. Click on create. Now create a line. Select the type as goods. select the item, let's say ERPZEN head and shoulder shampoos. Click on OK. Select the quantity and the base price is 444. Click on view, columns, show all. Click on schedules. Select the record. Click on view, columns, show all. Give the requested delivery date as 16. Say none. Direct delivery. Say two-way and invoice match option as order. Now I'm fine with the details. Click on save. Click on submit. Click on OK. Hit search. The status is pending approval. Now we can click on refresh to update the status from pending approval to open. Hit refresh. Click on refresh. Yes. Now since the PO got approved, the status was updated to open. Now click on done. We have created the another purchase order 1011. Now click on done. Now we will create an invoice by matching these two purchase orders. Click on hamburger icon. Click on payables. Click on invoices. This is called as invoice workbench. Now click on task pane. Now click on create invoice. Now select the supplier, say ERPZEN. ERPZEN supplier. Now number, say 2 PO and say 4444 and click on invoice actions. Now click on purchase order. Here give your purchase order. Click on go. Now give your purchase order. Say 10. Click on search. Click on match. Click on OK. Since we have enabled that pay on receipt, it is showing that warning message. Now here you can see ordered one, available one, and this is our purchase order information. The number 10, line 1 and schedule 1. This is the item information. This is the unit price and this is the amount. Now click on apply. Click on OK. Now you can see you have successfully applied on PO. Now we'll match the other PO as well. Now click on match invoice lines and now we will apply this 11. Click on search. Click on match. Click on OK. Now say apply. OK. Now you have matched two POs for one particular single invoice. This is the advantage of line matching. Now say the header amount is 444 and the total amount is 777. Let's update the amount to 777. Now the header amount, the line amount, and if you click on distributions, all are matching. Now say invoice actions. Click on validate. It is validated. So like this, you can apply multiple POs to a single invoice. Now click on purchase order. You have applied multiple POs. You have applied multiple POs for a particular single invoice. Now say invoice actions, post to ledger. Click on view accounting. Now you can find the amounts. Accrual 444, accrual 333, liability 444, and liability 333. Click on done. The entry is accrual debit, liability credit. Click on done. Click on save, save and close. Click on home. That's it for today's video. If you like the video, please hit like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you. Thank you very much.